Today we will be making mutton korma. This is a very delicious recipe. Before we start this recipe, please subscribe to our channel Cooking and Style. Now let's start the recipe. First, we'll fry 1 chopped onion in 6 tablespoons of oil. Now take out the fried onion and put it in a plate. Keep it aside as we will be using it later. Now let us do the next step. Add 1 kg of mutton into 6 tablespoons of oil. Cook it on medium heat until the water dries. Now add ginger garlic paste 4 tablespoons. Make sure to cook it properly for 6 or 7 minutes. Now add the spices. Salt 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Mix it and cook it for 7 or 8 minutes. After this, add 1 cup of water. Cover it for 10 minutes until the meat is tender. The meat is now tender. Make sure to cook it until the water dries. Now add 3 tablespoons of yogurt. After adding the yogurt, cook it properly for 4 or 5 minutes. Make sure to cook it properly. Now after that, add the onions you fried earlier. Mix the onions and then cook the onions for 2 or 3 minutes. Make sure to cook them properly. In the end, add green chillies on top. And finally on the top, add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala powder. Alhamdulillah, we have finished this very delicious recipe. If you have not subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Comment down your opinions in the comment section down below. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this recipe.